What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, back again for another hotel tour. Today we're going to be reviewing and touring the Radisson Blu Latvia Conference and Spa Hotel. So I'll show you all around everything that there is to do here, included in our stay. As we are VIP members at Radisson Blu, we have got a free upgrade with a town view, which I will show you in just one moment. We've also had breakfast included and access to the spa that they have here as well, which I'm hoping I'll be able to show you some clippets of. The check-in experience was really smooth. The hotel's very big and the lobby area is modern. They've got a lobby bar in there that looks very nice, and if you walk in through the main entrance to the left hand side is where you will find the breakfast area. We have checked out breakfast today with plenty of selection, with hot drinks, fruit juice, smoothies. As your drinks options, you've got an omelette station that does fried eggs, you've got cooked breakfast options, you've got your fruits, you've also got lots of cereals and nuts and so much more. Lots of selection, a really nice breakfast option here at the Radisson Blu. I do believe they also have in the hotel a sky bar, which we will go and check out. They've got lots of lifts dotted around, and on the side of the hotel you can take the lift, which will take you up through the side of the building, where you get some really nice views of Riga, the capital city of Latvia. So that was quite quirky. Anyway, let me show you around. Card key operated. We're in 910. In we go. Now, just as you come in, there's a little step, so do mind your step. And I've definitely not tripped over that. They also have some other steps as well that you need to be wary of, that I'll show you. So we've got a lock the door, extra security. There we go. We're secure. So here is our room. Here you've got a full-length mirror. Hello everybody. Nice smooth closet area to hang your clothes. You do get a safe, ironing board, coat hanger, iron, bathrobes, and you do also get some shoe shine and slippers. Got some coat hangers to the side, and as we walk in through the room, here is our king size bed that we've slept in and had an overnight stay. We are staying for 2 nights, so we've already had 1 night's sleep. The mattress isn't the most comfortable, and I have read some TripAdvisor reviews, so I was well aware of this before I came here. I thought I'll come and try it myself and see how it is. Bed isn't the most comfortable, unfortunately, but it is of decent size. You also have a telephone with plug sockets to one side, and, excuse my stuff, but plug socket to the other, as I do like plug sockets next to the bed. Nicely themed on the headboard. Decent size television that's central to the bed as well. Is a smart television, a selection of sports channels, news channels, entertainment, films and stuff on there, if you so wish to have a browse. Now if we come over here, it's what I really like. Got ourselves a kettle provided for with various selections of tea and coffee. There's some hot chocolate on there as well, but I've already had some, as you may have seen in the cup. Got a mirror just here. We have a desk. Get provided a bottle opener and also a mini fridge, which is of pretty good size. Do have another chair. Your air conditioning's here with the radiator, with a lamp. Your air conditioning's just controlled there on the wall. And finally, staying in February of 2025 with our upgraded town view room. A bit cloudy and overcast today, but a nice view. And there's the front of the hotel just there. All in all, pretty decent room. So let's have a look at the bathroom. In we go. There's your toilet. There's your shower that just comes off its handle. You do get given fresh towels every day. There is the mirror and your sink. And you do get given hand wash, body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, and some more body wash in there as well. And the shower's perfectly fine. You do also get a hairdryer. All in all, pretty cozy stay. It wasn't too expensive here when we stayed. 2-night stay costing around £140 for 2 nights, which for Radisson Blu isn't of bad value. With the upgrades that we've got as well, makes it, in my opinion, tremendous value. And if you are going to be staying at Radisson Blu, do sign up and become a VIP member. If you are going to sign up, keep an eye out for some deals, and sometimes you can get it for cheap, which is what we did. Right, we're gonna go and head to the spa. Let's see what that's like. So come down the corridor, here's trip hazard number 2. We've got a really nice cold plunge pool. There's 2 saunas, a jacuzzi, a steam room just in that corner, past that sauna, and a shower experience. Good stuff. We have an outdoor pool as well, only small. Quality in here, that outside pool, brilliant. Hot tub downstairs, fantastic. The lounging areas, it's all set over 6 floors as well. Very bougie. They do treatments as well. There's the prices as of February 2025. If you are a guest, it's €25 for the spa, but if you're VIP, it's free. A nice model of our hotel. That spa, brilliant. Right, the only thing left to do is for us to check out the Sky Bar, which we'll do later on. Before we try the Sky Bar, we're going to enjoy the lobby bar. Coca-Cola in a bottle. We'll give it a taste. Always tastes nicer with ice. Good stuff. It's Coca-Cola. We'll go more extravagant when we get to the Sky Bar. Here we've got some cocktails. Got some good mocktails as well. Good choices. Not bad prices either. Any soft drinks, beer, cider, water, wines and everything. The whole shebang. I think we have the Angel Falls. Looks nice. The rum, mango, passion fruit, pineapple, lime, and bitters. But like with any Sky Bar, it's not just about the drinks, it's about your view as well. We come here at night. A nice view of the city. There is my Angel Falls. How does it taste? Mango's a big strong flavour there, with a nice kick through from the rum. Delicious. We decided to go for seconds, Mai Tai and the non-alcoholic bubble shake. And this Mai Tai, thing of beauty. There we go, that has been today's video. If you did enjoy the video, then please do leave a thumbs up. Also, don't forget as well, if you've got any questions, do just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here, and social media links, they are in the description if you want to go and follow me on my social media. I will have my Riga vlog coming up very soon within the next week for you guys to enjoy, so do stick around for that. But overall summary here for my stay at the Radisson Blu Latvia conference and spa. That spa, brilliant. Breakfast, sensational. Bed, not the comfiest. Rooms, a little dated. They are modernising. The top 4 floors of the hotel are getting modernised, and I presume they're going to be making their way down the hotel and modernising the rooms. I think the beds could do with a new mattress, and I think if they was to add that on as well, then I think this will be an absolutely sensational stay. But if I was staying at Riga and the price is right, I would not hesitate to stay here once more at this hotel. Lobby bar, very nice. That Sky Bar, absolutely brilliant. It doesn't open until 5 p.m. Just worthwhile noting if you are wanting to visit. But overall, brilliant stay. And staff, absolutely incredible. Love it. I'd probably rate the hotel. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Put a new mattress in here, I'd probably give it a 10 out of 10. So, big thumbs up from me. Don't forget to stick around. Enjoy the Riga vlog next week, and I'll see you soon. So I've been JSGC Vlogs. Thank you for watching. Peace. Ciao for now.